Babala, mga senyales na hindi pinapansin. What if PCOS isn't the real problem, but a warning sign your body is already struggling inside? Hindi ka naman ganito dati, pero ngayon, lagi kang pagod, kahit complete ang sleep, parang kulang pa rin. Biglang lakas ng cravings, tapos yung timbang mo, parang ayaw na gumalaw. And deep inside you're thinking, anong nangyayari sa katawan ko? Here's the part most women never hear. PCOS is not just about ovaries. It can be a sign your body is having a hard time managing sugar and energy. And when that imbalance continues, hindi mo siya agad mararamdaman. Pero over time, it quietly increases your risk for type 2 diabetes. Hindi biglaan, hindi obvious, pero tuloy-tuloy. Hindi ka sira, hindi ka nagkulang. Your body is overwhelmed and it's asking for support. And when you listen early, everything can still change. If this is for you, hindi ito coincidence if you heard it. Comment support or DM me ready and let's help your body regain again before it's too late. This is Nurse Falane saying, your future health deserves attention today.